Is Saturn app safe to use? So Saturn app goes in really high in the charts recently because this is the app, and the new school year is starting, and this app is basically like a social media for high schoolers. So what it does, it just combines schedule. You can see your school schedule, all your events, all your clubs, and then also you can see your everyday calendar. And then you can also add friends from your school. You can send messages to each other and all of that. So instead of having some boring like Google calendars and all of that, you just have this in the form of social media app, kind of like a Facebook for school or Instagram for school. But the question is, especially for the parents, like how safe is this app? Because obviously these are like their kids who just go to this app and use it. And you can just read in a lot of websites, if you just dig deeper a bit, so then that your app is not actually that, this app is not actually that safe as it seems. You can just read in many articles. So the thing is, like, this app wasn't that popular a few years ago. It was already developed. It just started to really get traction this year, this summer, and really jumped into the high charts. And the one of the privacy concerns is that it's like there is no like at the moment there is no like strict like some privacy limitations. So like as you imagine, this is app like for high schoolers, and you should only be able to register if you're studying in that school. So the process goes like, hey, I'm studying in this school, I'm registered with my account, verified like with that school, so I need to have like email address which is just verified with that, and then I can just basically register and create my account and kind of prove that I belong to that school. But seems in this app sometimes you can just get to this stage even without like proper security or verification. So you can say, yeah, I'm starting like in the ninth grade in some school, and then this app will let you in, and then you'll be able to see like the schedule of all other people, and yeah, all the information. And like a lot of parents are really like worried about this, that this app really lacks some additional layer of security, where like ideally you shouldn't be able to get access to any school unless you completely verify that you are the person that's really studying at that school and at ninth grade, for example. You can't be some kind of stranger who just goes to the school and just creates an account there, and then you can see all the schedules of other students, schoolers, pupils, and then just and then delete your account, go to another school. So so it's just says here also in the article, the Saturn app is a kind of like a privacy nightmare at this moment, and unless the creators behind make it serious changes, that will require all users to verify their identities before they can join school groups. No kid should be using this app. So this is like quite strict article, but there you have it. That it was probably for this app okay in the first stages, like when there weren't that many schools. But now, as they state on the website, you can just go to joinsaturn.com. There are more than 16,000 schools already in this app. Obviously, it's going viral. The technology and the idea is very great, but I think they are lacking this one privacy gateway, like where you just need to protect like anyone to be able to create an account easily and just join like any school and pretend that they're like studying at the school while they're not. So yeah, but I think this is just like the part of the growth of any app. So there are some bugs here and there. So I think that they will just implement some kind of security layer, and then maybe it will become safer. So for now, yeah, maybe just if your kid is using this app, just recommend not to post that much privacy info, and just maybe use it just for like DMs, or just to have a list of your friends and there you have it, but not publish that many like public schedules and all of that there, because definitely there are some, privacy loopholes in this app. And but yeah, still it's not available on Android. So yeah, hopefully they will release some updates and fix the issues.